Good evening and Talo Falava to our second Psalm 1 church families and friends watching our live tonight. We are the New and Jennings family. Today is the 8th day of our 12 days before Christmas. So sit back, enjoy your Koko Laisa and Lao Samoa, and hope you enjoy our program this evening. O le matou pese mua mua i le lea fiafi. O le pese whailoa atu ai o matou na mona fiafia. O whawhetai ai le alofo le atua. O no le nei asa matou mo fie. Au tatou whātatatali le whanau mai o le Mesia. Where Are You Christmas? It's a song that came in mind. For many, the spirit of Christmas is not there. Some are filled with emptiness, loneliness, and sadness. Many had lost a loved one. Some lost their jobs, going through family problems, health struggles, or worries of any kind. For Christians, this time of year is a happy reminder of hope we have because of Jesus Christ. And God's love is being enough to handle all of our problems, strong enough to see us through this hard season, and faithful enough to never let us go.
Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? Where is the laughter you used to bring me? Why can't I hear music play? My world is changing, I'm rearranging. Does that mean Christmas changes too? Where are you, Christmas? Do you remember the one you used to know? I'm not the same one. See what the time's done. Is that why you have let me go? Christmas is here everywhere. Oh, Christmas is here if you can. If there is love in your heart and your mind, you will feel like Christmas all the time. Oh, I feel you, Christmas. I know I found you. You never fade away. Oh, the joy of Christmas stays here inside us, fills each and every heart with love. Where are you, Christmas? Fill your heart with love.
To them, and the Lord shone around them, and they were terrified. But the angel said to them, "Do not be afraid. I will bring you good news, and this will cause joy for all the people. Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born. to you. He is the Messiah, the Lord.
Knowing you're in love with me is the greatest gift of all.
The fire is slowly fading. Chill is in the air.
Pamaniatule, Christmas Matasafo, Yaoto Malama. Unos parulong mail por kalaman at sa mala ang asay ni Netula. Pamaniatule, Christmas Matasafo, inayo ay nga malama loy. Samoa, ay may si Americanay. Pia New Zealand, Australia, e família tuaile Christmas e Marta Sanfo, e aí maulei Martinaya Rosita, Marfanau Lenea tu Lenea Tunu, Molia tuaile Faftaitele Lama, e não moa samato avanoa,
Ki por kalama le au talboma le au ngā sāia o tō. Au sunga mispo wena tanga loa ma whalatua ia Mareta. Whaftai tele lawa mo le avanoa. Mo le atu fo i le whamamiari Kirismasi ma tau sampo. I le tina. Tua ia ainga. Ai meise o i lato umalawa lo o i lato ia i nare naitu i California. Ia whamami atu le Kirismasi. Whatau sang fo manuia. Whaftai. Ale netu la. Le asa au ni atu i whanau. Ni lato pes pesenga. Awa le Kirismasi le nei tau sanga. Whaftai tele lama. Manuia Kirismasi ma tau sang fo.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Yo te lo canto felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Yo te lo canto felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Manuia le Carissimasi, e Manuia le Carissimasi, e Manuia le Carissimasi, Gonzo, Salafo. E Manuia le Carissimasi, e Manuia le Carissimasi, e Manuia le Carissimasi, Gonzo, Salafo. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Te veo dando felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! And a Happy New Year!
We are the new family, and we wish you a Merry Christmas! Woo! Sleep in heavenly peace. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake for Jesus. Shake for Jesus. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake for Jesus. Shake for Jesus. Go
Aula whanau mai mo I tātou le tama. Ua fōina mai mo I tātou le atali. E lona ua le mālo. E ngō fōi o ia. O le sirisiri ese. O le whai pule. O le atua mālosi. O le tamā o le whawawau. O le aliki o le while mū.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night
May the holiday season fill your home with joy, your heart with love, and your life with laughter. From our family to yours, happy holiday. Tune in tomorrow at 7 p.m. for our 9th day before Christmas, performance by the Jennings and Malone.
Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holiday. We've been waiting all year for this time. The snow is glistening on the trees outside, and all the stockings hung by the fireside, waiting for Santa to arrive. All the love will show, 'cause everybody knows it's Christmas time, and all the kids will see the gifts under the tree. It's the best time of year for the family. It's a wonderful feeling. Looking forward to the singing. It's that time of year. Christmas time is here. The blessings from above. God sends you His love. Everything's okay. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Happy holiday. Bells are ringing. It's time to scream and shout. Everybody's playing 'cause school's out. Celebrating the special times we share. Happiness 'cause love is in the air. And all the love will show. Everybody knows it's Christmas time, and all the kids will see the kids under the tree. It's the best time of year for the family. It's a wonderful feeling. Looking forward to the singing. It's that time of year. Christmas time is here. The blessings from above. God sends you His love. Everything's okay. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. No matter what's your holiday, it's a time to celebrate. To worry the sun, and know that I'm fine. You are right. It's Christmas time. Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holiday. Looking forward to sailing. It's that time of year. Christmas time is here. The blessing from above. God sends you His love. Everything's okay. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, happy holidays.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, yeah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We